Welcome to my channel. Hey, well, see, this year we're going to sing. Like, I'm going to be singing for you all on this channel. We must be Davido and Wizkid on this channel this year. So if you know how to rap, like rap very well, hit me up. Let's do something like some Pop Smoke kind of vibe. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It is the first video of the year. Oh my god, so are you trying to tell me now that you escaped? Because that was an escape, fam. With everything that happened last year, for you to be here alive, strong this year, fam, you escaped last year. Look, so like, congratulations first, like congrats to you all. You made it through this to this here. Let's say here. See, let me now tell you guys, anything that will make me speak big grammar this year, I've washed my, like, I'm done, I'm tired. You all have to take my English anyway it comes. Like, I'm tired. Anyway, it's just God's grace that we're here. Don't think you are one special kind of human being. People that lost their lives last year, people that grieved last year, like, they don't have to head. You're here just because God has brought you this far. So we thank God for life. We thank God for his grace. We thank God for good health. We just thank God for bringing us this far. Today's video is going to be about things that you should consider doing this year that might lift you up a bit, that might make your life this year a bit you get, like, a bit oh my god, wow. I've been watching these videos, like, you know, at the end of the year people bring out videos and say things that trend that must end with this year, trend that must end with 2020. So I like watching those kind of videos because I know that, okay, what this person is saying, I do it and I think it should end with 2020. So I watched like a couple. But if we're going to leave those trends and those attitudes and those behaviors in 2020, what are we going to do in the new year? You say I should know wear Balenciaga. I mean, I don't know where. You say I should not, like, do a lot of things. Okay, let me drop them in 2020. So what am I now going to do this 2021? Have you all thought about it? So I'm like, okay, there's some things I want to do this year. Like, let me just do them and see if anything will change. Do you get me? Now I want to share. Remember what I said in the beginning? Anything that will make me speak big grammar, I don't wash and come out. So I just want to share with you all some of these things I will do this year. I'll try and do this year. I wrote them down. I wrote 10 things down. Let's start. Number 1 is drink water. I know you guys know that drinking water is good, right? But do you actually drink water? I know drinking water is very fantastic. It does a lot of things to your body inside, but what I know water does is water is very good for your skin. Try drinking water a lot more this year. You will not regret it. Cold water, hot water, just drink water this year. It's going to improve your health both inside and outside. I just tried to start with that because it's like very simple but very important as well. Number 2 is say less things. This year, don't talk too much. Just be looking. It's not everything you see that must come out of your mouth. It's not everything somebody does to you that you must rant about. Do you get me? Sometimes if somebody offends you, just let go if you can. Don't talk. It's not everything you must talk. It's not everything you must say. It's not, you are not the only person every time that they must hear something from our mouth. Do you understand what I'm saying? Just keep quiet, just observe. If the thing is not going to take money from your account unnecessarily, if you think it's not going to make you lose sleep, and nothing should even make you lose sleep. If it's not going to make you lose sleep, then it's not necessary for you to talk. You know what I mean? It's not necessary for you to talk. It's not necessary for you to, I told you I was singing on this channel. It's not necessary for you to talk. Just keep quiet. Just keep don't talk every time. Number 3, say nice things to yourself every chance you get. I can't this one is very important. People are very quick to condemn themselves. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, I'm not sure I'll succeed at this. Oh, this might not go the way I planned. Oh, I don't think I'll. Sister, brother, calm down. When you wake up in the morning, I do this sometimes. Look at yourself in the mirror. Say nice things about yourself. I'm amazing. I'm wonderful. I'm intelligent. I'm creative. I'm beautiful.
I see beauty everywhere I turn. I am worthy of receiving good from others. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more and more prosperous. My strength is greater than my struggle. It's not their job to love me. It's mine. I do not fear the fire, baby, because I am the fire. I am loved, loving, and lovable.
Saying that it has a way of making your day go very smoothly. If you tell yourself things like, yeah, no jokes, if you tell yourself, confess nice things to yourself, it has a way of lifting your spirit for the rest of that day. It just has a way of doing that. And there's a chicken, like, that is not this next point though, but I just want to let you guys know that there's a chicken downstairs that is disturbing. In case you hear, she's really disturbing. The number 4 point is, do not put too much pressure on yourself this year. Let things just flow. We are just coming out of a very tough year, so this year just don't put too much pressure on yourself. I'm saying this to myself as well. Just let things flow. Plan if you can, but if things don't go, like, for example, if you plan to do something tomorrow, that is Wednesday, and Wednesday comes and that thing doesn't go as planned, fam, there's another Wednesday next. Fam, there's another Wednesday next week for you to plan. If that Wednesday comes and it did not still go as planned, there's still another Wednesday. Like, do you get Wednesday? No, they finish. As long as you're alive, as long as you're well, you're not ill, you're not 6 feet, as you can do things. Don't put pressure on yourself. What will be will eventually be. There'll be struggles, which is part of life. There's nobody in this life that's not gone through one struggle or the other. So you're okay, you're cool, you're good. Don't put pressure on yourself. Solo dates, that's the next one. It's very, very, very fun, amazing to go out with your friends, to go out with your family, to go out with your loved ones, but sometimes just take yourself out. Only you just go out. You know, it has a way of you hear yourself think. Go to a very nice place, go and watch a movie alone. Don't go with somebody. Go to a restaurant alone, go to parks alone. It's not every time you park or your friends out, or it's not every time you show up at an event with somebody, like somebody's always next to you, or people are always following you. Sometimes just go out on your own and just have fun by yourself. It helps. Not every time though, but sometimes just do it. Make friends with intelligent and smart people. This year we're not making friends with Big Brother Naija people, or people that only talk about football, or people that only talk about Wizkid and Davido, or people that say things and you're like, wait, that thing you just said, please repeat it, I want to jot it down. Do you get, like, when they talk, you're just like, I am the one, the way your son don't. Make friends with those kind of people, and it's very easy for you to tell, or it's very easy for you to fish them out. When you have conversations with them, first 5 minutes you already know the kind of person they are. True or lie, you already know the kind of person they are. So if they are intelligent, keep them, please. It will help you this year. You know, your friends have a way of rubbing off on you, so you make friends with stupid people. if you make friends with intelligent people, it is your choice to make. At the end of the day, it is your at the end of the day, it's your choice to make. Have meaningful conversations. This is like, it goes hand in hand with the previous point. If you make friends with intelligent people, there's no how you're going to have meaningful conversations. Have conversations that will make you stand up and do things. Have conversations that will make your life better. What is the business idea you have? How are you going to implement that business idea? How are you going to make money? How are you going to make, things that when you talk about this, when you talk with this person, you are reflecting on your life. Don't make friends with people that only gonna talk to you about what Erica did and what Kidwaya did not do. Yeah, those conversations can come up, but it should not be 90% of the time. Nobody has time for that. Time is going. You also need to make like important decisions in your life, and you have to do that with the right people by your side. Show like, do you get? Okay, so the number 8 point is be open-minded. Be more open-minded this year. It's not every time your opinions must be heard. Sometimes keep quiet. I said something like that at the beginning. Yeah, be open-minded. Hear what the next person has to say. Don't be too rigid. Don't be too rigid in your thoughts or with your thoughts or with whatever you have in mind. Be flexible. If this person says something that is better than what you have in mind, please use it. Don't say it's a lie. You must do this thing my own way. No, but why is it that you cannot go this route? And people are trying to tell you, bring another angle to the discussion, but you are saying no, you must go this route.
I said what I said.
Open your mind, open your heart, open your sense, open your thoughts. Allow fresh ideas from other people to enter. Fresh, and obviously you know the kind of people you hang out with. So allow fresh ideas to come in. Do you get what I mean? I'm sure you do, honey. Number 9, do something extraordinary. Something you have not done like before. I'd not say go and do something that will allow you to allow them arrest you. I don't say something that you don't go and do something that will involve killing or stealing, or do something that you haven't done. Maybe like skydiving. If you have not shot your shot, do that. If you're a shy person, if just do things that you haven't done before, bucket list kind of things. Even if it will involve money, at least do the one that your pockets can carry. Do you get me? Basically, go out of your comfort zone. That's what I'm trying to let you know. That's what I'm trying to. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I know I'll stop. I'll stop. Okay, I've stopped. Do things out of your comfort zone. Don't just say I can't do.
Do it! Just do it!
I don't think I'll be able to try it and see if somebody has done it and they did well. Why not just give it a shot? Try it. And I saved the best for last. I saved the best. I saved the best for last. I saved the best for the next one, the last, the most important. Like, if you don't have this in your life, all these other things, and even anything you want to do in life, you will not succeed. It's not cost. It's not cost. It's the fact. If you are not close to God, if you are not closer to God, try this year and be closer to God. Like, He's the one that brought us out of 2020 that was like a bad year for everybody. Please let us try and recognize Him. Please, draw closer to God. Put Him first in your life. Just try that. Try it and see. He's been very, 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 very good to everyone. So just try and put Him first in your life and see what's gonna happen with you this year. Try it. I'm not saying you will not have struggles. I'm not saying you will not suffer small, but just try it and see. Okay. So we have come to the end of today's video. I hope 2021, that's like long, right? Yeah, I hope 2021 is good to everybody. I hope 2021 brings you joy, happiness, peace, good health, more money, anything you want this year, anything you've been asking God for this year. I don't know why I'm doing this, but you'll get it. I pray you get it. I pray you have good health. Like, that's like in this pandemic season, like, good health, you can never take that for granted. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up this video. Please comment below, let me know what your thoughts are. Subscribe to my channel. Hey, subscribe to my channel. Hey, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.